Hey guys, welcome back to How About with Abe. So today we have another GoPro. This one is actually mine. The GoPro 10 Black was not mine. I just unboxed it. But this is mine. And it is a GoPro Hero 9. And let's open this. I'm just tearing this open. But first glance, you can see some colorful water. And there it is. Look at that. The GoPro 9 Black. Wow, okay. Even just says 9 at the top. That's, what? Okay, let's open this up. That almost was cool. Oh my. Oh, wow. GoPro. Be a hero. Hey, look who, somebody joined us. Hey, Pips. Look at that. That's, oh my goodness. Okay. So this is the GoPro. That's some nice plastic. I'm keeping that. So it's just a case, really. But this is the GoPro. Oh. Okay. This is the GoPro charger. The battery. They only give you one battery. Okay, a thumb screw. One of these little things. That's not as much supplies as I thought. But hey, at least you get the case. Like, you don't return that. And also you get the GoPro. So, also you have the and the manual. Okay, now get out. I don't need you right now. I might later though. I never use those. So I actually got my GoPro 8 Black off of eBay. But now I have all this, so I'm just happy about this case and this. Like, you slide that in and then you just put everything back. Oh my, okay. Let's see this. Let's just be quiet. Cat. Oh my goodness, guys. This always rips. Don't know why, it just does. But let's get out of this plastic. I'm just gonna rip it. It's faster. Yep, ripped again. So when it rips, you just try to turn it. Wow, that's... That's bad. There we go. Okay. So the GoPro 9 looks a lot like the GoPro 10, if you haven't seen that video. But let's put in the battery and see if it has any juice left. Ooh, nice, easy open. I will have to buy a SIM card. I say that and I find a SIM card, okay, I'm not going to ask. But let's see if this thing has any juice. Oh, what? Oh, crud, this thing works. This thing's on. Oh my goodness, English. But you know, I don't call. I'm skipping. So this is just all like the date. That thing's creepy. It already knows the date. 1 second. Yep. Okay, well, the 9 is better than the... Okay, it says 3:02. I don't know what time it is, but it's like 7 something. It's 8:03. 8:03. Okay. Now, 20%. Dude, do they charge this? So yeah, this is the GoPro. It's much bigger. But look at that. You can see yourself. Bro, what? Oh, it just changed to time lapse. Guys, look at that. You can see yourself. Hi. Oh, that's sick. Okay. Wow. Ah. Wow. Okay.